Welcome back to Cooking with Poncie. Let me show you how to make a quick and easy, healthy lunch. First, you're gonna need a cactus. All right, so if you don't have a cactus, you can go to the store and buy yourself a nopal. You're gonna wanna clean them up. Dice them up. Add some onion, 1 tomato, cilantro. Mix 3 eggs. 3 eggs. Add 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter on medium-high. Add a teaspoon of salt and pepper. Add 1 dried chili pepper or chili flakes. And 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix them all together. Now we're going to add the nopales. Stir them for about 2 minutes or until they get soft. See how the nopales are releasing some juice? Keep stirring. Now go ahead and add the onion. Add the tomato and the cilantro. Stir them all together for about a minute. Now that the veggies are nice and soft, we're gonna pour in the eggs. That's my little love. That's Genesis, by the way. And there you have it, guys. Once the egg is completely cooked, you're finished. And that's a quick and easy, healthy meal. It's got all these health benefits. Now you're gonna warm up flour or corn tortilla, your preference. And there you have it. Taste test. Flour tortilla versus corn tortilla. What tastes best? All right, here we go. Taste test. Corn tortilla. All right, flour tortilla. I'm gonna go with corn tortilla. They're the winners. The corn tortilla tacos were so good. I'm gonna make myself 1 more. Nopal and egg tacos. Outstanding.